In this video, we are going to have a look at how to create a compound graph. Now, why are we going to have a look at creating a compound graph? Well, if we go to your task-specific criteria here, you see that it says utilize compound data displays, and that's to get a B. Okay, so you need to basically make compound data displays. Okay, so to do that, first of all, you highlight the letters that you will want to go on the x-axis. Then you press and hold Control and highlight the data that you want to go on the y-axis. And you notice I've highlighted this column here as well. I've just made a mistake there by including that cell. So we'll just go and do that again. Okay, pressing and holding Control and highlight the data that you want on the X values and then the data you want on your Y values, on your Y-axis. Okay, release Control, insert, select your graph. We're using this graph. As you can see, we've created a compound graph. So the orange reads from this percentage frequency and the blue reads from here. Okay, now of course you're going to have from A right across to Z at the bottom, and I wonder if you're able to set it up so that your graph can read English sample 1, English sample 2, maybe even Hindi sample 1, sample 2, all on top of that A there. And therefore you may only need one graph. Again, check the assignment and work out how many graphs you actually need. Okay, thank you for your time. Oh, one little trick. See how my A, B, C, D, E, F, G here is in that small column. Okay, little trick. Okay, over here we see it's not quite, the cells are a bit large. If you want to change the size of the cell to fit with the data that you've entered, just go up to that boundary there and get the cursor to change to that and double click, and it automatically will do that. If I do it in G, you'll notice it will now fits that text. And over here on H, okay, if you want your data centralized, go highlight it, home, and then centralize it. Okay, thanks for listening.